thought it would be nice to give you guys a quick backside story about the Corrado and why we made the video going to Mexico and doing some crazy stuff with our VR6 supercharger and the wrecked Corrado. I have this car now for around 7 or 8 years. I bought it from the second owner. It was in storage for 12 years. It needed lots of work, and yeah, I did a complete restoration and I decided to do a TDI PD swap, even while people really didn't understand the real reason behind the build. But for me it was just to be unique, to build a car that, yeah, you enjoy yourself, right? That's the most important thing. And I have lots of very great memories with this car, but sadly the last memory that I have is the accident that I had at the end of 2023. I crashed it on the highway, it's totaled. Luckily it's still repairable and I'm going to restore the car. But yeah, this weekend I'm going to take the engine out and going to completely rebuild the engine to build in the white Corrado project, the new shell. So yeah man, the TDI Corrado is not coming back, guys. The Corrado shell is coming back and I will do a crazy engine swap. I'm thinking about the K20 swap, guys. Yeah, you hear it right. Corrado VW tag, man. Leave a comment in the, leave a reaction below in the comments. What do you guys think about it? Because I really want to be unique, to build my own car, to be, I always say dare to be different, right? So it was really the last moment. I wanted to change my last memory of the accident in something, in a better memory, to take it one more time to Mexico and enjoy the moment, guys. So that's what we did. We also took the Mark III with us, and also the Mark III survived. It survived, man. Then we had a crazy night. We had a very crazy night. And yeah man, we are going to also take this engine out this weekend and prepare this engine for the new turbo. Take the new turbo, show the turbo to those guys. So guys, for the people that doesn't know the car, it's a VR6 and we mounted a supercharger kit on it. Also with this car we had lots of fun with it and we really want to just enjoy our cars one last time before we are going to take them apart. Yeah man, and this is our new spoolie boy. HX35, we bought it from KC Performance. It's also the company where we always dyno our cars. So yeah man, I thought it would be nice to tell you guys the backside story, why we took a wrecked car to Mexico and like abusing the car. But like I said, again, I appreciate you guys watching my videos. The new video of Mexico will be also aligned on this moment. I thought I will make 2 separate videos about it. One video just me explaining why we did what we did. And guys, I appreciate you guys watching, and yeah man, see you guys in the next one. Ciao!